Choosing the right locksmith company can help take the stress and worry out of an emergency situation.
I locked myself out.
Get Locksmith is available on Saturdays, Sundays, nights, and holidays at no additional charge. We are a locally owned and operated locksmith company whose top priority is providing an exceptional customer experience. We will show you the problem and the steps to fix it in order to help you make an informed decision. Our experienced locksmith technicians always explain what they are going to do before any work starts. Selecting the right locksmith company is an important decision. There is a reason they call us Get Locksmith.